Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about module. So let's see what is it. So what is module? Consider a module to be a same as a code library, a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. So it contains a set of application of functions that will include in your application. So you will be able to create a module with the help of that. To create a module, just save the code you want in a file to be to the with the help of file extension is .py. So it will help you to save the file as a module. So here on screen you can see that I have created one file and saved that file as my module.py. After that, I have used the function, what is the name of the function then, and print hello plus name. Okay, so this is how you can create a my module. So now we can use the module we just created by using the import statement. So with that, first let me see how we can do the import my module. In that case, we have to write my module dot greeting of what is the name of it that you can mention here. So there is one node that is available. When using a function from a module, use the syntax module underscore name dot function underscore name. So it will help you to use the function from a module. So in that case, a module can contain function as already described, but also variable of all type. So these are the variable of all type. Here I have created one object. Okay. In that case, I have mentioned all the details. So these are the some details you can use in the modules, and we can also run some programs with the help of them. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.